Hello and welcome to the Tree Online Academy. In our previous video, we looked at questions 26 through 30 of the IGCSE Biology Paper 2-1 Winter 2019. My name is Chris and I'll be your tutor for today. Question number 26. Which statement is a reason why viruses are unharmed by antibiotics such as penicillin? Well, if you remember how penicillin or antibiotics actually kill bacterial organisms, this is because it inhibits the cell wall formation and it weakens it. So when the cell divides by binary fission, it cannot reform its cell wall. And as a result, it just kind of lysosizes and splits and dies, decreasing in number. So with that information, let's have a look here. Viruses are very small. Yes, they are, but that's not a reason why antibiotics are ineffective. They do not have cell walls. Option B is correct. As mentioned at the start, the penicillin interacts with the cell wall. They do have genetic information, but that's not why antibiotics don't work. And they have a protein coat. Yes, that is true. They have a protein coat, but it's not why penicillin does not work. Question number 27. Several athletes have been banned from their sport for using a drug, nandrolone. This drug helps the body build muscle tissue. What sort of drug is nandrolone? Okay, well here we have a few things here. Well, we can eliminate straight off that neurotransmitter is incorrect because that's traveling in the synapses as a chemical messenger. It is not an antibiotic because it does not lead to, it's not a form of treatment to kill bacteria and interacts with the cell wall. And obviously animal cells do not have a cell wall, so it's a dud answer. It is not a depressant. It does not depress your heart rate or slow it down. It is called an anabolic steroid. This leads to the formation of new muscle cells. Okay. Question number 28. Which statement is correct about FSH? Okay, well, FSH stands for follicle stimulating hormone. So if you remember that, that could help you in this question. Okay, what happens is it's secreted by the pituitary gland, transported in the bloodstream to the ovary, where there it instructs the ovary to develop a follicle, maturing an egg ready for ovulation. Okay, so it stimulates ovulation. Well, no, it does not stimulate ovulation. This is led to a surge of LH, luteinizing hormone. That's what causes ovulation. Okay, it stimulates ovulation and menstruation. Well, no, they do not. Ovulation and menstruation do not take place at the same time. Ovulation, as mentioned, was LH, and menstruation occurs due to a decrease in progesterone. Okay, maturation of follicles. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, this is the correct answer as it leads to the development of your follicle. It stimulates maturation of follicles and menstruation. Okay, this one could have been a trick question for you and could easily have gotten confused. But remember, menstruation occurs due to a lack of progesterone, and therefore it will, when the corpus luteum breaks down, it stops secreting that hormone. Okay, so D is incorrect also. Number 29. HIV is transmitted by bodily fluids during sexual contact. The HIV affects the immune system. Which statement describes the effect of HIV? Well, if we remember, the HIV virus targets and attaches to T4 lymphocytes. Okay, and this is the white blood cell that is responsible for producing antibodies and antitoxins. Okay, so if it attaches to them, it injects its DNA and then replicates inside the lymphocyte, leading to it to burst, lysis, and therefore killing it and destroying that lymphocyte. Okay, so with that in mind, we should be able to answer this question. The body has increased immunity. No, it does not, because you've basically killed off half of your immune system. It produces fewer antibodies. Well, yes, this one is correct because we have reduced our lymphocytes and their main function was to produce antibodies and antitoxins. Option C, the body produces more antibodies. No, it does not. It produces less. And the number of lymphocytes increases. Well, no, it does not. The HIV virus destroys the lymphocytes, and therefore you have a reduced number of them. Okay. Question 30. How many chromosomes are there in each of the human cells shown in the table? Okay. Well, if we look here, the goblet cell, or should we say all human body cells, have 46 chromosomes. Okay, so a goblet cell has 46 chromosomes because it has a full set of genetic information. A motor neuron, again, is a normal somatic body cell which has 46 chromosomes. The mature red blood cell, well, we remember the red blood cell does not have a nucleus, therefore it contains no chromosomes whatsoever. Okay. However, the sperm cell as a gamete will have a haploid number, which is half of the diploid number, and a sperm cell would have 23 in total. So let's have a look and eliminate these accordingly. So A is incorrect, B is incorrect. So your options are C and D. So goblet cells 46, this is correct. Goblet motor neuron cells have 46, correct. However, the red blood cell has 0, okay, which is correct. So option C is your answer here. And D is incorrect. As mentioned, the nucleus, red blood cells do not have one. Okay, good. Thank you for watching our video. Please register on the website for a free demo if you'd like to know more. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.